Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently disable or block Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 10 PC. In case you don't use Edge browser on your Windows 10 PC, you can permanently disable it using a third-party portable freeware application. However, before blocking Microsoft Edge, you need to make other browser as your default browser. For that, first click on this one start button at the taskbar. After that, click on this one settings option. Under settings, you need to click on this one apps. After that, select this one default apps in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one web browser entry. By default, it should be Microsoft Edge. Click on this one entry and choose another browser that you have installed on your Windows 10 PC, such as Google Chrome. After setting default web browser, now navigate to this one Sordom website. I will put this one link in this video description. Here you need to scroll down and after that click on this one download button to download this one Sordom Edge Blocker software on your Windows 10 PC. I have already downloaded it. After downloading this one zip file, Edge Block, select it and right click on it. In the pop-up, select here extract all option. Now click on this one extract button. Now open this one Edge Block folder. Here you will find two application. One is for 64-bit and this one is for 32-bit. Select your application according to your Windows 10 PC. In case you use 64-bit, then select this one and right click on it. And after that, choose here Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this one Yes button to launch this one application. Once this one Edge Blocker opens on your PC, just click on this one Block button. This will block Edge browser on your Windows 10 PC. After blocking this one Edge browser, just try to open it. It will not work. I mean, it will not open on your Windows PC. In case you want to again unblock it, again run this one application as run as administrator. After that, click on this one unblock button. Now try to launch the Edge application. It will start working as before it was working on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.